about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans.
So we're going to find something to eat before we head to the market because your girl is dying.
The reckless, it's so extreme and I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. And I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. A 24-hour streak.
Belt that goes round, right? You can pick whatever you like from on here and eat for free. It's for free, right? So long as you order like food and stuff, you can eat from this place for free. So you can just grab whatever you like and eat for free. So it's a really nice place. Amazing. The food. If you're ever in Vicenza, try this sushi one place. Their food is amazing. Somebody liked it and ordered everything on the menu.
Hi, bro.
Their food is great, guys. If you're ever in Vicenza, it's one of the best Japanese restaurants in Vicenza. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, I'm in the bathroom because the lighting here is better. So we want to go to IKEA to shop for couches and stuff. Like, I just want to take you guys along because this is actually my official first time going to IKEA. So yeah.
You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a...
This one is so soft. What? I like that one. It's small though, but it's cute. It's hard. When you come into this kind of place, you want to carry everything to your house. I wish it was free. So we're thinking of getting this one, but we're still looking around though. So really beautiful stuff. You have your wine and everything coupled down there, right?
This could be my new, my alcohol thing. Oh, baby. Yo, this could be.
This man is also considering this one, but I don't know how I feel about it. It's cute, but so after you pick your couch, you come here and you pick the texture of the car that you want right here. So they have all these options, and this one is the softest. So ooh, that's soft. Nope. Nope. Nope.
I don't really care, yeah. You're calling me a mad.
So good. Come on, girl.
Hold on, watch yourself.
Yeah, I see this. Alright guys, so I liked the gray couch better. I'll show you guys here. Somebody likes the milk couch. It's not bad, but the color looks dirty, you know. It looks like a white, and it looks like I am not white, but I am not gold. I'm just in between.
You just don't know your color.
Like, what is that, you know? But like, yeah, we're gonna make a decision and come back for the one that we decide on. So yeah, we're heading home now. And anyways, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, comment, share, like. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
It's so extreme and I don't really care.